Today I am reviewing the ASUS TUF 1440p gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. One of the standout features of this ASUS TUF gaming monitor is its blazing fast 180Hz refresh rate. This ultra-high refresh rate means the screen updates 180 times every second, giving you exceptionally fluid motion during fast-paced gaming. Paired with a rapid 1 millisecond response time, it reduces motion blur and ghosting, so you can track targets in action with much greater clarity and precision. Whether you're playing competitive shooters, racing games, or fast strategy titles, this monitor will keep up with your every move. The ASUS VG27AQ3A uses a fast IPS panel, which not only ensures quick response times, but also delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. In fact, the monitor covers 130% of the sRGB color spectrum, meaning the colors are richer, deeper, and more accurate than on many typical gaming displays. This makes it a great choice for content creators or anyone who appreciates color accuracy in photos and videos. Gaming visuals get an extra boost thanks to ASUS's extreme low-motion blur sync technology, or ELMB Sync for short. This innovative tech works hand in hand with variable refresh rate features like FreeSync Premium and G-SYNC compatibility. What this means for gamers is the elimination of annoying screen tearing and stuttering, creating buttery smooth gameplay even during intense scenes. ELMB Sync reduces motion blur while keeping the refresh rate variable, which is a combination you don't often find in gaming monitors. HDR support is another important feature on this monitor. It supports HDR10, which enhances contrast and color range, making bright scenes brighter and dark areas more detailed. This results in more lifelike images and helps games and videos look their absolute best. While it's not the brightest HDR panel on the market, it still significantly improves the visual experience compared to standard monitors. Connectivity options on the VG27AQ3A are flexible and user-friendly. It comes with both HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, allowing you to connect to a wide variety of PCs, laptops, and gaming consoles. The matte screen surface helps reduce reflections and glare, which means your gameplay remains clear even in brightly lit rooms. It also features built-in speakers, which can be handy for casual use, although most gamers will likely prefer dedicated headphones or external speakers for immersive sound. Ergonomics are well taken care of too. The monitor stand allows for tilt adjustments, so you can find a most comfortable viewing angle during long gaming sessions. Although it doesn't have swivel or height adjustments built in, the overall design keeps it sturdy and stable on your desk. Another bonus is the included 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud subscription with the purchase. This makes it a great option not only for gamers, but also for creative professionals who want to try out industry-standard software for photo and video editing. In summary, the ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQ3A is a powerful all-rounder that excels as a gaming monitor with its ultra-fast 180Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and tier-free gameplay support via FreeSync and G-SYNC compatibility. Its QHD resolution and wide color gamut ensure stunning image quality, while ELMB Sync technology keeps your fast-paced visuals crisp and blur-free. Add HDR support and solid connectivity, and you have a monitor that's well-suited for gamers and creative users alike. If you want a monitor that enhances your gaming performance and also looks great on your desk, this ASUS TUF Gaming 27-inch 1440p HDR monitor should definitely be on your shortlist. It combines speed, clarity, and color accuracy in a package that's ready to handle today's most demanding games and creative workflows.